Today you're going to learn how to make a walking stick figure. First you have to open the Flash. And ignore the coughing Kurt.
Sorry, I'm really sick.
And you're going to open up a Flash file action script 3.0 and go to the bottom to resize this. Right here and turn on the onion skin. And then grab the brush tool by clicking it on the right or hitting B. And then you're going to start drawing stick figures. And then you're going to hit F7 to go to the next frame.
I'm so excited for the lip sync. Oh my gosh, I thought it was today, so I got really excited. But then today, I got sad. No, but it's going to be about the best thing in the world. I don't know what the point of that one was. Couldn't just take a picture of the exact same.
I would want to have a Mr. Point. There's a lot of movement, a lot of action there. He's a good sport.
I thought that the sophomores had the best one.
And if you ever mess up and want to do it, just hit Control Z to go back a step. As you can see, I do not like this head at all.
Well, you had first and second. You know, I do agree with you that it's tough to draw a face. And who is that? Who was our sophomore?
That's Taylor Becker.
Taylor. She did a nice job. But, so it's seniors with her.
I thought that was a brain at first. And then I figured out that it was his body.
Claire did a good job as well.
Yeah.
Word videos.
No, unless you convert it. Well, that was the flight we've been having.
We don't have that conversion.
The idea is yes, we do. Doesn't really work.
It used to work. Does that help you at all? Just knowing that at one time it did work. You have a computer at home, right? Did you work?
I don't have Windows.
Okay. You're welcome to take the card and see if you can get a video.
And then once you're done, hit enter and it'll play it.
That works.
And that's clearly way too fast, so come down here to the
It was really weird.
frames per second and change that to 12. Hit enter, and then hit enter again and it looks better. You can also hit Control Enter and it'll show you how it is.
You have Windows
And it just keeps repeating.
on?